If one day the Earth stops orbiting the Sun or its orbit is suddenly deviated, the consequence will not only be a natural disaster, but also an existential crisis for all humanity. Imagine, for a moment, everything we know about life being turned upside down. From the possible reasons leading to this dire situation, we can see that the future of this planet depends on a delicate balance between gravity and inertia of motion. One possible cause of the loss of Earth's stable orbit is the Sun running out of fuel. This will not happen overnight. It will take billions of years. When the Sun becomes a red giant, it could swallow the Earth or push the planet far from its current orbit. If this happens, the Earth's surface temperature will increase to thousands of degrees Celsius. Geysis, burning all living things and melting everything on the surface. Another scenario could be a collision with a giant celestial body. A wandering planet, neutron star, or black hole could create a gravitational pull strong enough to deflect Earth's orbit. The consequences would be fierce solar storms, devastating cosmic radiation, and the loss of any protection from the planet's magnetic field. If Earth drifts into space, we will face a global ice age, where temperatures drop below 200 degrees, oceans become ice, and liquefied air falls as nitrogen rain. The immediate consequences of the Earth ceasing to rotate would be unimaginable loss. Half of the planet will be in eternal darkness, while the other half will be scorched by sunlight. The terrible tidal wave will rise thousands of meters, submerging everything in sight. Plants will not be able to photosynthesize, the food chain will collapse, and humanity will face the risk of extinction. However, not all hope is lost. If the disaster happens slowly, people can find ways to survive. We can build underground cities or radiation shielding structures to protect ourselves. Migration to other planets, such as Mars or the moon Europa, could become a viable option. Furthermore, developing Dyson architecture technology to maximize solar energy exploitation will be an important step forward in ensuring humanity's survival. While the prospect of the Earth losing its orbit is scary, it's more important that we focus on the more real threats humanity is facing, such as climate change, nuclear war, and pandemics. Science will be the key to our understanding of the universe, thereby preparing for the future, whether to prevent disasters or explore space. Let's protect this planet together and develop technology to reach the stars, instead of just worrying about things that cannot happen in the distant future.